Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Jenkins on Azure Windows Virtual Machine. In this video we are using Windows 11, but the process is same on all Windows operating systems. First connect to Azure portal, then click on the search button and search for virtual machines. Click on virtual machines. See, I don't have any virtual machine. Then click on create, then select the Azure Virtual Machine. Then select the subscription. I have only one, that is the paid one. In your case, it may be free trial. Then select the resource group. If you don't have any resource groups, you have create by clicking on this create new. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. Provide virtual machine name. See, AZ means Azure, Win means Windows, Jenkins. Then select the region. Based on region, cost will be changed. See, this is the cost for month for this region. If you select South Central US, see, cost will be changed. Okay, so select the region based on requirement. Then availability options, I'm going with availability zone. If you don't want, select no infrastructure redundancy required. Okay, then availability zones, I'm going with single zone. Security type, I'm going with standard. Then image means select the Windows 10 or 11 or Windows Server. Click on. If you are unable, see, I have the Windows 11 here. If you are unable to find here, you have to click on this see all images. Then from this list you can select the images. Okay, so this is the way. If you are unable to find Windows 11, type Windows 11. Hit enter. See, here we have the Windows 11. Click on select, then select the type of image. Okay, I am going with Windows 11 Pro version 23 H2 General architecture. Okay, run with Azure Spot discount. Right. Okay, then select the size. Size means number of vCPUs and memory. See, click on this drop down. See, these two are the recently used versions. If you want to see all sizes, select all sizes. See, we have different series like most used one, D series, B, C, and etc. Based on the size, cost will be changed. Based on the sizes, see, cost changes. Okay, so I'm going with the list one, select it. So see, still it is 6,000 per month. So I'm going with standard B2 with 2 CPUs, and it is up to you. Then provide administrator username for this virtual machine, which is required to connect. See, it must satisfy these rules. Okay, so provide username, then provide the password for this user. Okay, allow public inbound portals. Okay, select allow selected ports, then select inbound ports. See, 3389 is the RDP port, it must be selected. HTTPS, HTTP44, SSH2 is not required. One more time verify the image, standard, username, password. Okay, then click on next. Then OS disk size means it is hard disk size. See, default is 127 gigabytes. If you want to change or increase, the cost will change here. Okay, see, okay, I'm going with the default one for this demo purpose. OS disk type, I'm going with standard. Delete virtual machine. See, next delete with VM. See, whenever we delete the virtual machine, this OS disk will also be deleted. If you want to create and attach any disk, you have to click on here. If you have an existing one, you have to click on here. I don't want both, so click on networking. See, it is going to create this virtual network because we don't have any other virtual networks. If you want to create new, then can create, and you have to provide the name and ranges. Okay, I'm okay with the default one. Public IP, either you can select public IP or none. If none means cost will be decreased. So I want public IP, so it is required to connect to from public internet. Okay, so network, I'm not going to change anything, so click on next. If you want to log in with Microsoft Enter ID, you have to select here. Otherwise, keep all as it is and click on monitoring. If you want to create alerts, you have to click on here. See, I don't want, so click on next. If you want to provide any customer data, you have to provide here. Otherwise, click on tags. If you don't want to provide tags any, then click on next. See, this is a summary of the virtual machine. Azure Windows 11 virtual machine. If you are okay with all these settings, then click on create. See, deployment is in progress. This may take time. See, if you have already an existing Azure virtual machine, you can skip this step. Directly you can start the Jenkins installation. See, virtual machine has been created successfully. Click on go to resource. Click on this copy to clipboard, that is public IP address which is required to connect to Windows 11 machine. Copy, then Windows run, type cmd mstsc, paste that IP and click on connect. Then provide the username and password. Username is demo user, password, provide the password. Click on S, click on S, then select accept. See, we have successfully connected. Now install Jenkins on Windows operating system. Now open Microsoft Edge. This is the default web browser, comes with Windows operating systems. Click on it. Go to Jenkins official website, that is jenkins.io. Hit enter. This is the official website for Jenkins. Click on download. See, here we have the two types of versions, stable and weekly releases. Before downloading, you have to see the hardware and software requirements. Right click on this one, open link in new tab, go to that. See, the only software requirement is Java requirements. Click on it. See, supported Java versions are Java 11, 17 or 21. Okay, so we are going to download and install the Java 21. It is the latest stable version. Okay, go to Google, then search for Java downloads. Click on Java downloads. See, here we have the versions from 17 to 22. So we are going to download the 21, that is the latest version. Then select the Windows, then click on, see, here we have the .exe and .msi file. Both are fine. Select any one of them. So select MSI file, click on it. See, download has been started. Its size is 163 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Go to downloads directory, maximize it, double click on this bin file to install Java JDK. Click on next. See, this is the installation directory. If you want to change, click on change. Otherwise, click on next. See, Java JDK 21.04 installation has been completed. Click on close. Now we have to set system environment variables for Java JDK. So right click on this PC, properties, then advanced system settings, then environment variables, then in system variables click on this path and select the edit, then go to C drive, program files, Java, JDK, select bin, copy this path, click on new, paste it, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now we have completed the prerequisite. We can also get system environment variables by clicking on start from your keyboard, then search for system. See, here we have the edit system environment variables, both are same. Okay, now go to this jenkins.iso download, then scroll down, click on, see, this is the stable version and this is weekly version. So we have to install the stable version only. So click on Windows. Once we click done, see, download has been started. Its size is 94.9 megabytes. Okay, now go to downloads, double click on this Jenkins, click on next. See, this is the Jenkins installation directory. If you want to change, you have to click on the change button. Otherwise, cancel. Click on next. Here we have the two types of logon. Service as local system or service as local or domain user. Local or domain user, you have to provide username and password. Otherwise, click on next, but it is not recommended. Okay, so in your case, provide user account name and password. Next, see, this is the port number which is going to use. If you want run Jenkins on other port, you have to give the 8081 or 8082. But this port is available, so click on test port. Click on next. So now here we have to select the path for Java JDK. Okay, click on change Java, select Java JDK, select OK, click on next. Select the firewall exception will be installed on local hard drive, then click on next, click on install. We have successfully installed Jenkins 2.4.2.462.2. Click on finish. Now go to this localhost. Hit enter. See, initial password we can get from this one. Copy this one. Open CMD. Type notepad. Then give the space. Then paste this path. Whatever the path is there in red color. Hit enter. See, this is the initial password. Copy it. Minimize it. Paste it. Click on continue. Here customize Jenkins. Install suggested plugins or select plugins to install. So install the suggested plugins. Click on it. See, plugins installation has been started. Now create the first admin user. I am giving username as administrator. Then provide the password for this user. Then provide the full name. I am giving full name as administrator also. Provide admin email. Then click on save and continue. See, this is the Jenkins URL. Copy it. Click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. See, this is the Jenkins dashboard. See, if you want to create job, you have to click on here. If you want to create new item, if you want to see new item, you have to click on here. If you want to see build history, you have to click on here. If you want to manage Jenkins, you have to click on here. If you want to install plugins, you have to click on here. If you want to change the system configuration, you have to click. So okay, we have different options. Okay, so in this video we have seen again how to install and configure Jenkins on Azure Windows Virtual Machine. For more Jenkins or DevOps or cloud videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.